This is Tom with Sun Motor Cars Mercedes, and today I'm going to go over a brief overview of how to use the command system in the older Mercedes-Benz. So to use the command system or control the screen, what you would do is you would actually swipe on the touchpad, which is located in the center console, or you could use the command wheel by twisting it left to right, or actually toggling it left and right, up and down as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is, using the command wheel, I'm actually going to toggle it forward to bring up the submenu. As you can see here, my cursor is the little gold box there. And when I want to select something, I would just go over to it and then push down either on the command wheel or the touchpad to then select that area. And since we are on navigation, I'm going to do that first. So if I want to put in a destination for navigation, I would just pull back or swipe down on the command wheel or touchpad and go to destination. And then what I would do is I would actually go up to address entry, click that, and then I would start entering an address in by selecting each portion of the navigation. So if I wanted to go to street, I would start typing that in. So I could just say Carlisle. And as I type that in, you'll see that different roads will start to appear. I'm looking for Carlisle Pike. There it is right there. So you'll see up top, Carlisle Pike is spelled out. So what I would do is I would either swipe up or toggle up with the command wheel or touchpad, and you'll see the gold bar there again is my cursor, and I would just click on Carlisle Pike. So once I do that, I can either go over to house number or town. We're going to do town. So if I click town, you can actually see all the different areas that will pop up that have the road Carlisle Pike, and we're looking for Mechanicsburg, which is right there. And then what I'll do is I'll actually scroll over to number here and type in the number. So if I start typing in 6677, there it is right there. And if I select that, hit start.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
If I want to cancel this, all I have to do is pull back, go over to destination, and then hit cancel route guidance. Now the easier way to use navigation is actually up on the steering wheel. If I click the voice command button just very quick, I could just say enter destination.
The address, please.
6677 Carlisle Pike, Mechanicsburg.
$6,677 Carlisle Pike, Mechanicsburg. Do you want to start route guidance?
Yes.
Starting route guidance. The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
So the navigation already knows that we're in Pennsylvania. So if I just do a Pennsylvania address by saying enter destination and then just saying the house number, the street, and the town. If I want to cancel navigation, all I have to do is up on the steering wheel, hit the voice command button again and just say cancel navigation.
Are you sure you want to cancel route guidance?
Yes.
Canceling route guidance.
Now let's say I want to go out of state. So what I would do is on the steering wheel, hit the voice command button again and say enter state.
State or province, please.
New York.
New York. Accepted. The address, please.
1300 Veterans Memorial Highway, Hauppauge.
Veterans Memorial Highway, Hauppauge. House number 1300. EBS. Unavailable. Do you want to select another house number, or do you want to start route guidance?
Start route guidance.
Starting route guidance. The route is being calculated.
So as you saw there,
to the highlighted route.
all I had to do was first say So as you saw there, all I had to do is say what state I was going to first after saying enter state. Then I would do the house number, the street and town, because then it would know what state I was trying to look for that address in. And again, if I want to stop navigation, all I have to do is just say cancel navigation.
Are you sure you want to cancel route guidance?
Yes.
Canceling route guidance.
And again, I did that up on the steering wheel by hitting the voice command button. So next I'm going to actually go through, I'm going to go to radio next. Alright, so now we're on radio. And again, the way to control this, what I did was I used the command wheel or the touchpad to swipe up. Again, you'll see the menu options up top there, and once I get to that area, I would just click down on it, and it would bring me right here. If I want to toggle up and down, again, what I could do is use the touchpad to swipe up and down, or I could use the command wheel by pulling it back towards the back of the car or pushing it forward towards the front of the car. So if I want to go through different stations, all I have to do is while I'm highlighted here, I could just twist left and right, or swipe the touchpad left and right as well. If I want to switch between AM, FM, and satellite, I would just pull back. You'll see band at the bottom there, and then if I push down on the command wheel or touchpad, I could select that and switch between the different wavelengths. But we're going to just do our example on satellite right now. So the easiest way to go through your different radio stations is by voice. Again, clicking the voice command button on the steering wheel, if I just click there and say Station Sinatra, it would bring me right there. Or if I wanted to as well, if I did not know the station name but I knew the number, I can click on the steering wheel again on the voice command button and say enter channel number.
The station number, please.
67. And that would bring me right there as well. Let's say I wanted to save one of these as my preset. So if I go to that station, hold down for about 5 seconds, you'll see a little submenu pop up that says preset spa. And then what I can do is I can actually find a spot through here, and then once I find that spot, if I want to save it, I would just click down again on the touchpad or command wheel. You'll hear a beep, and that's how you know it's set. And then if I want to go to my presets, again using the command wheel or the touchpad, I would just pull back, go over to preset, click on that, and then I would click station preset view on. So if I click that, it'll put it on. And now I have all of my different station presets in one spot. All right. Next area is media. If your vehicle is equipped with a CD player, you could throw your CD in there and it would start automatically playing. If you're using one of the USBs in the vehicle, for a USB device that has music on it, it would be in here as well. Then if I would want to switch between a disc, a USB media interface, or let's say Bluetooth off your phone, I would just pull back or swipe down, again using the command wheel or touchpad. Go to devices there in the bottom right, click on it, and then here's my different list of options I could do. The bottom one here, number 5, is Bluetooth audio. The rest are your physical media, again CD player. You could do a memory card or a flash drive with music on it, and then select those as well. Telephone would be for pairing up your phone, which I will show you in a different video. I will do a specific iPhone and Android pairing video. Then if I go up top to the right, if I hit vehicle, I do have some different options in here. My time is in here as well if I need to change that. I do have some different vehicle settings I could go over. Setting the horn on when I lock the car, your locator lights, things like that are under vehicle settings. That is it for this video. I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the dealership.